everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to attempt to organize this. I have a son at dance and not a daughter buried in a room, and I have a little bit of time. So I bought this at Michael's, and if I can find it on their website, I will link it below on the bottom. So these have 3 different holders, and I thought I would I'm hoping by seeing it better, I'll make use of them better. So what I'm going to do is put these bigger ones that I have, more like vintagey, that I think I'd use a little bit more up here. And that looks good. And then, so I want to be able to see I have a lot to like. Some are Tim Holtz, some aren't. They just vary. I hope everyone is doing really good. I have been, like I've said in the past, beyond crazy busy. Like, oh, I'm done with costumes. My daughter's graduated, which is nice. And so yeah, it's just been really busy. Okay, so one of the things I'm not doing is separating by brand or like where I bought them, because honestly, I don't remember where half of these I got. And I'm not separating from, like, quite a bit of these are Tim Holtz, and I'm not separating from that either. I'm just putting what I like together. I think that's good for right now. Pull out the second drawer. I hope you guys can see this. I'd love to know what you guys are up to. I have been so out of the crafting loop. It's been crazy not actually crafting for, I think we're going on a month and a half now. And let me tell you, as I've said in the past, this is my sanity, is crafting and making videos, and like this has been my stress release. So not having this and stress is like, yeah, kind of insane. That's an understatement. Okay. Oh, I don't want that. I wonder if these will fit. Oh, unfortunately they don't. Too bad. These are the fabric linen washi type tape from Tim Holtz. I love using this. Too bad it doesn't fit in here. I wonder if it fit that way. Nope. Oh well, I'll have to keep them in these. No big deal. Okay, so I got these 3 emptied. Yay. Now I can fill them up with other stuff. Oh, let's put that over here. And I'm hoping I unpacked all my stuff, but I have no idea. But I have this whole bag of washi tape. I think I may need another dispenser or get rid of some of this. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, we're just going to dump it because I just don't care. And see, we have flowers and stuff up here. So let's, now it's all dropping. We're going to put some flowers and all that up here. Okay, these there's our holiday. I think I'm gonna keep my holiday separate. So I think I'll put my holiday back in this bag. I think I dropped a holiday one. Sorry, just a second. Oh, no, I just dropped red. Oh, gosh, that's what was poking me. Okay, let's see. These are holiday. That's a holiday, that's a holiday. Ooh, don't fall everywhere. Wow, what a crazy mess this is. Okay, those are holiday. That's a 4th of July, fun. These are holidays. What are you? Oh, no. You are not holiday. We're going to put you in the top row. All right. I think that's all my holidays. And I think, oh, nope, I have one more. I'll just put it on the side. And that's trash. So. Not trash. Okay, this is more Tim Holtz. And look, there's space right up here. Yes, so we're gonna throw that up here for right now. Sorry for the reach. My cats have not quite. They're getting into everything. Oh, Luke, that was my trash bucket. See, everything. Crazy cats. Love them, but dang. Okay, so we're gonna throw that up there. So this last section, I have a feeling I might need to get another one. Ooh, I hope not. Okay. So I got some of these fun washi tape from my sister-in-law for Christmas quite a few years ago. And I like using them for when I do, like, I'm putting them in the back. So I like to use them like when I'm doing my die cuts, because washi tape is really good for that when you're die cutting and you want your die cut to hold in a certain spot. It's like fabulous for that. So, and that's kind of what these are too. So I'm just gonna put these color coded because I have a lot of different colors. That's another one. It goes back there. Oh, we have some yellow. How fun is that? An owl one. No, Mom. My mother is an owl fanatic. Maybe I should give that to her. Okay. Let's see. We have red, 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 and pink. We will throw together. And then we'll move it into orange. Disney. We'll do some green up there. Hopefully another one that goes back there. Look at that. I think I'm not going to need to buy another one just yet. Hopefully I need to use some of this and go from there. Okay. Oh, these should go in a different, and that should go in the other one. Okay. We have some green. Oh, you are another holiday. I thought I had the holidays. Guess not. Oh, you're black. You're blue. Bluish. Green. Yellow. Purple. Yeah. do some, oh, you're green, you can go up there. And you're black, you can go up there. If I can squeeze you in. Ha, got it. Sparkly, can go back there. And a purple, can go up there. I think that's almost all of it. Oh, I missed the yellow. I'm done. Nice. Okay. So what we're gonna do, because there's some space. Ooh, sorry for that noise. Ooh, that is ear piercing, isn't it? I'm going to move some of these up here since there's room, and I'm gonna put these in here because these meet, some of these ones are combined with those. So this is gonna live on my desk as soon as my really bad messy desk. Look how bad. Oops, sorry, I don't mean to shake you. Look how bad that is. It's like horrible. But it's getting there. Like from the last video, I think I just posted it today. I filmed it a little bit ago. I'm gonna see if I can move you guys so you guys can see. Look at all those boxes gone. That makes me happy. So hopefully we'll just start doing Organize With Me videos, and I can get this table cleared off so we can actually do a crafting video, because I am in desperate need to craft. Like, my crafty brain is going kind of ballistic. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Thank you for joining me while I organize this, and I hope y'all are doing great, and I want you to know you're important. Thanks. Bye.